There are 4 types of banks in India: private banks, public sector banks or nationalized banks, foreign banks, and cooperative banks. You can open an account in any or all of these banks. Let's start with the first type, the savings bank account. Well, as the name suggests, these deposit accounts are for consumers to save money. So, any India resident can open a savings bank account if they have 2 things, an Aadhaar card and PAN. Please note that both these things are mandatory if you want to open a savings bank account. Now let's talk about some key features of a savings bank account. There are some exceptions when the mandatory minimum balance criteria is not applicable. For example, if you have opened your savings account under the government's financial inclusion plan or the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, there is no minimum balance requirement. Now, the second type, the current account. These accounts are basically used for daily business activities. In simpler terms, where there is a need to frequently transfer money from one account to another. These are mainly business accounts and mostly used by corporations and businessmen. If you're wondering about the benefit of a current account, it has a special overdraft facility. Under this, you can withdraw more money than what is there in your account. The third account type we talk about is the salary account. As the name suggests, these are the accounts for the purpose of salary transfer. Banks allow these accounts on the request of corporations and entities that want to disburse salaries to employees. So the account where you get your monthly salary is called a salary account. Now let's talk about the fourth type, Demat accounts. This account helps investors hold shares and securities in the electronic form. That means it helps you keep a track of all your investments, be it mutual funds, shares, bonds, or exchange-traded funds, all at one place. Overall, it helps investors trade and invest in equity shares in the stock market and converts the share certificates from the physical form to the electronic form. There are 3 types of Demat account: regular Demat account, repatriable Demat account, non-repatriable Demat account. How to open a Demat account? Select depository participant according to your requirements. In India, stockbrokers, banks, and online investment platforms offer DP services. Visit the DP site and fill the Demat account opening form. Also assign nominee. Fill the information on Know Your Customer norms. Submit the scanned copies of all the documents required. Go through the verification process known as in-person verification or IPV. It can be done at the DO office or online. Sign an agreement which includes duties and rights of both DP and investor. After this, your request for opening account will be approved. Finally, you will get a unique beneficial owner identification number or BOID, which you can use to access the Demat account online.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.